On the east side of Edmond sits one of the city's newest facilities, the Water Resources Administration Building. Supervisors with water resources meet each week to discuss department operations. Before the administration building opened in February of 2018, meetings like this were difficult to accomplish. There was not enough space, and the staff was spread out across separate facilities. Today, however, personnel for the Water Resources Administration, the laboratories, and the wastewater operations all work in the same building.
Bringing everybody into one building really allows us to collaborate better and gain efficiency from how we address things as a department and really build that team within the department.
The 19,000 square foot building cost $7 million. Unlike the previous facilities, the new administration building has a large room for employee training and space to host statewide training sessions for outside agencies. There are also many energy-saving features designed into the building, like geothermal heating and cooling and LED lighting. Daylight harvesting technology saves energy by factoring the amount of daylight coming in through the windows and adjusting LED lights accordingly. Rainwater is captured from the roof and used later for outdoor irrigation. Solar panels also provide a portion of the structure's power. Even the plumbing features are designed to conserve water.
Being good stewards of our resources and looking out for the long term, what is this facility going to cost us for the whole 20, 30, 40, 50 years of its existence, and making sure that we're good stewards of our ratepayers' dollars.
One significant improvement is the relocation of both the water and wastewater staff to new state-of-the-art laboratories in the administration building.
So one of the benefits of having all the lab staff and labs in one building is cross-training and combining resources. In addition to, our labs are quite a bit larger than what we previously had, and they can actually space out their tests to stop cross-contamination in testing and a lot more efficiency in their work.
We have room to spread out. I don't have analysts that are working shoulder to shoulder, bumping into each other.
The new laboratories are designed to comply with the standards of the Environmental Protection Agency and the Oklahoma Department of Environmental Quality. Microbiological testing, which has normally been outsourced to a commercial laboratory, can now be accomplished in-house, thus reducing the time it takes to obtain results and saving the city money.
This laboratory right here, I would put it up against any lab right now in the state of Oklahoma. I have not seen a test facility that is as nice as this facility and set up the way that a laboratory should be set up. And I've seen a lot, I've worked in quite a few of them. This is by far the best.
The administration building was also designed with the intention of educating the public, from adults and college students to even young groups like the Girl Scouts.
Having the ability to bring people in and tour and teach them about what happens with their water and wastewater within the city was a vital component of this building.
Tour groups are given an inside look at the operations of water and wastewater treatment and how water is tested in its laboratories.
We can let them see into the labs and actually do demonstrations from the other side of the glass, so the younger kids can actually see what happens in the lab without experiencing any hazards from that. And so it really allows our lab staff to show off their facilities and what they do on a day-to-day basis to ensure that we have safe drinking water and clean wastewater being sent into Coffee Creek.
An observation deck gives tour groups a nice overall view of the wastewater treatment facility. Finally, groups are taught the importance of conserving water, one of our most important resources. To ensure that the water supply in Edmond is long-lasting, it's incredibly important that the city's water utility plans for the future.
In the utility business, we're going to be here a long time, and we want to ensure that our buildings are here for that length of time too.